Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the kitchen. Today I have this 12-piece silicone kitchen set. So we're going to check this thing out. There's the information on it. It is made in China, but it's BPA free and it's got all sorts of different utensils on it. So we're going to go through and look at each of these. It's comfortable and durable, dishwasher safe, and easy to clean. So there we go. And it's not going to damage your dishes like some of the other metal ones will. So let's see what we got here. So we got the wooden black right here. This is what it is. So we're gonna take all these out, and then we're gonna look through it all, and I'll show you guys what it is. So first of all, we have the kitchen set, food and drinks. Interesting little plastic cup with 3 holes in the bottom. And then we have our ladle. So this is a nice little soup ladle. And it's good. It's got some flex to it on the edges, but the middle is nice and hard, so it's very nice. And it's got a little hole here, so if you wanted to hang it, you could do that as well. But this is it. So that's a soup ladle we got. We've got a small spatula here. It's nice. I like the slotted ones. That's usually what I use when I'm making my eggs and stuff. Nice and flexible up here, but still got the rigidity down here, so it's good. We've got a flat spatula. This is kind of what I use sometimes when I'm making my cookies and all. Got a little bit of a bend to it, you can see. So this one might not be perfect, but hopefully it'll come out good. And actually, once you scrape it on something, it'll flatten out. So that's nice. We have our pasta fork right there. So when you're doing the pasta, you pull that one up. Very nice. I like these. These are nice and solid and good silicone. I like it. Good. We have a slotted spoon. This one here is good for when you're making something like tacos or something. You want the goop to drip out. Good for that. For me, usually my rice ends up so wet. I need that for that. Here's a good scoop. This one here would be good to scoop the nice dry stuff. Nice big size scoop, so it's good. Mashed potatoes or whatever. Nice, attractive. They all have that hole in the bottom. Very nice. Here's a flat panel one here. Sometimes I use this too when I'm making eggs and stuff like that because I just like to flop it around like that. Very good. We have a traditional spatula. So when I'm making my cookies in my KitchenAid mixer to scoop it all off from around the edges and stuff. Nice spatula. Basting brush. I needed this the other day. How do you open it? Yeah, it's good for when I barbecue or cooking stuff and I need to. Oh, it's nice and flexible. That's nice. So it'll sweep over it good. So that's good for when I make my teriyaki chicken. Neil's famous teriyaki chicken. Let's see what we got here. We have our tongs. So look at that. It's got the ones where you push it in to make them big and you can kind of lock them in place like that. So that's kind of nice. I always put them in the cup. I always put them on the edge like that for some reason. For some reason, that's what I always do. Weird. Never thought about that till now. And then we have our whisk. It's funny, the whisk, I don't think it's got the metal inside of it and then it's got silicone coating on there. So it's soft, or maybe it's just plastic even altogether. No, I think it's metal. It's metal inside, and then it's got the silicone coating over it. So kind of good. Whisk up stuff. Very nice. So look at this. You get the whole set here, and it's a whole nice little set, kitchen set, and everything fits into a nice bucket. And then you get a whole bunch of plastic ones from wrapping it up. Pretty nice set. So I'm going to say, look at that. Very nice. Thumbs up from me. This is really cool. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.